Okay, hello again. So since last time I had a video, I was working on the keyboard. I completely fixed it. The problem is fixed. Eventually, I'm going to be making a video showcasing where we are right now once I get it all back together. But right now, I'm working on the low set of bass reeds. So I've got valves put on the lowest block, so this set is already done, which is the lowest set. I'm getting ready to wax in the second set. So the first thing you need to do for that is you need to get a piece of wax suitable enough to actually be able to wax in reeds. So what I do for that is I've got this accordion wax that I bought from Liberty Bellows, and I cut a really thin piece off of that. What this will do is it makes it easier to actually be able to reach into the spot that we need to put wax with the soldering iron and the wax. So what we need to do is we get our reed in place. Make sure all is correctly in place. Now I've had my soldering iron heating up over here. I'm gonna, okay, it's heated up enough. So we're gonna wax the bottom, the top, and the left side of the reed from where we're at. So we start with the top. Then move on to the left side. Make sure you cover the hole completely. I realized I forgot to wear my mask, so you don't want to do that. So after this, I'm going to stop the recording because you don't need to see me do every reed anyway. So that's one reed done. In theory. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to make sure that the valve is working, which it looks like it will. Yes, there's plenty of space between reeds this time. So waxing between the reeds should not be the most difficult thing. This is the second to lowest set of reeds. First thing I do is I melt a little bit of the wax that's already there. Sometimes you have to press a little bit to get it to actually sink into the block to make sure it's actually set. Sometimes it could be hard to get wax in the correct places. So you just have to take your time and be careful. There should be no rush. I'm going to tilt it more this way so that I'm not dripping wax in the same place. Okay. Then, so we're left with this. Do that over and over again until all reeds are waxed in. See you in the next one. Alright, so what I've got here is I'm gluing valves onto the reeds. So I've cleaned the gluing surface of this one. I've got some valves which I've ordered from Liberty Bellows. So we want to make sure to check that we have the right direction of the valve. So this is the side that's going to be on top. And this is the one that we're putting glue on. Very small amount. Then we trim them after they're dry. A thin layer of glue. Then I have a little flathead screwdriver, or not flathead, but it's a flat top. I don't really know what they're called. Flat Phillips is what my box says over here. And then we've got straight as possible. We just set that one back down. And then we move on to the next one. And when they're all dry, we move on to the next side. So the cleaning process is like this. I have a little tool I made that is specifically good for scraping things like leather or excess glue off of old instruments. It's just hammered steel, so it's like a flat at the end. So we've done that. Then we repeat the process. The reeds have been cleaned in water before. I'm going to get an ultrasonic cleaner soon enough. Okay, we got that. I'm not sure how good this camera angle is. I just know it's not good. I'm not sure how not good it is. Alright, well that's the process, and I only have to do that 48 more times. Alright, the bass side is finished. So that's good. Every single reed. I still might dust inside the bass mechanism just in case. And also the grill cloth on the bass needs replaced. So I'll probably do that.